market is confused. There is no clear trend. Small caps and large caps are still diverging. Private sector banks are going up and auto sector is going down. So the best way to identify the opportunities would be to specify, to analyze sectors. We think there is one sector wherein there is a good opportunity, not to buy but to sell. This sector is asset management company. There are only 2 directly listed companies and there are indirect subsidiaries in few of the other broking companies. So let us analyze HDFC AMC results. Since last 2 quarters, company is giving fantastic results, around 40% growth in PAT. But guess what? Equity markets are down, the equity inflows are down, and still the company is reporting great numbers. This is because courtesy Sebi, there was a circular in October 2018 wherein all AMCs had to reduce upfront commissions that they were paying. So they had to stop that commission, and therefore as a result of that consequences, the expenses that these AMC companies were reporting has automatically reduced, and because of this reduced expense, profits are rising at this breakneck speed. So till when? We think the last September is the last quarter wherein we will have fantastic returns, and post that we will see growth of around 20%. So what's great about it? The bigger challenge is HDFC AMC has around 80 to 83% promoter holding, and 75% they have to reach in next 2 years. 1 year has already lapsed. So for HDFC AMC, next 180 days prior to that, they will have to divest, and the best time for them to divest is probably next 3 to 4 months. So currently valuations are great because of this aberration that expenses are forcefully reduced courtesy Sebi, and therefore this high valuation currently that market is giving will not sustain. The growth will come down maybe from 2 quarters down the line, and therefore there will be de-rating in PE multiples. So currently these are ideal times for an investors to think about booking profit. The best nail in the coffin would be when HDFC AMC announces that they will offload or they will divest around 7.5% shares in public, so that they comply with the minimum mandatory listing requirement. So that amount would be around 3,500 crores. So as a sector, we don't think that one should really buy because of great numbers, the AMC space, and those investors who are having shares either through IPOs or if they have bought, I think HDFC AMC offers the best value, not at this price, but once it comes down. And currently the best offer is for a company, so for them the best time is to do divestment, and therefore investors be careful. In fact, they should sell when the company announces their plans to do divestment. So there is a short-term aberration in the entire sector. Thank you.